Suprajit Engineering Ltd. The company manufactures auto components including control cable, speedo cable, lamps and other automotive parts, which serves both domestic as well as international market. Quarterly update. Q1FY23. The company's revenue fell 4% quarter-on-quarter to Rs 4.85 billion excluding LDC. If LDC division was included, the revenue grew by 27.5% to 6.4 billion. But margin contracted to 680 bps, that is 8.4% due to operating loss. The management expects LDC margin to be negative for 2 to 3 quarters before gradually improving and reaching double digits in FY24 due to consolidation of division on April 1st, 2022. In our future outlook, why do we like the SCL long-term expansion strategy? Proven track record, a successful acquisition strategy, top lamp manufacturing company, leading market share in two-wheeler cable division, expansion in geographical footprint due to LDC margin, venture into EV-related products. We have an outperform rating for Suprajit Engineering Ltd with a price target of Rs 404. For more updates like these, please like, share and subscribe.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.